Right now I am powering on the laptop after replacing my keyboard with the Asus service center. See, its lighting is on. I have fixed it to static lighting, so the lights are in white color mode only. Can you see to the keyboard backlighting? Yes, you can see to it. So when I press the enter button and I am entering the pin right now. Okay, the keyboard backlighting is properly held up properly, but the thing happened here is the problem. Can you see to it? I hope you can see to it. Yes, it's static in white, but the left side it's not static. Can you see it clearly? The right side is in static mode, that is on white, and the left side is the color is blinking. When I go to this Rog center, when I press the Rog key, it goes to the Rog center, and the RO settings, RO sync, RO effects. I have set to static, and the color is white. But still, the lighting is blinking. See, it should not blink. There is an issue with the connectivity on the left side of the lighting cable or something else. The right side is working properly. So I am reporting this. By Wednesday only I got it from Chennai. My friend got it by today morning. By evening only I have able to see to it. So there is a problem with the lighting. When I gave the laptop for service, it was working fine. Asus have to work out for this. Thank you.